Why you should always use packing compression cubes. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed. Today I'll have a quick travel tips video. So I have here Travelon compression packing cubes. Now when it comes to packing cubes, you have the option to buy regular packing cubes or compression packing cubes. Regular packing cubes are going to be slightly cheaper than compression packing cubes, but I do not recommend buying regular packing cubes. The reason being, the compression packing cubes can compress whatever you're putting in, and it takes lesser space in your luggage or carry-on or suitcase. And I'm going to demonstrate you today that how it works. So this is Travelon, 2 sets of packing cubes, and this is like $17, which was on sale. So when you're looking for compression packing cubes, you're looking at about $15 to $30 for a set of two like that. And there are many brands. This is not a paid or affiliated review, but I just happen to bought Travelon because I like their products. Now you can see that this is a smaller size, and the difference here, I'm just going to use the bigger size to show you what is the difference. So if you're buying a regular compression cube, packing cube, then you're just going to have one zipper. So for example, you're just going to have this zipper, which is the main zipper. And let's say you're putting a clothes or blanket or anything. This is just a demonstration, but in real life you're going to be putting your clothes like shorts, pants here. So let's say this is your clothes, and when you're putting it, so a regular packing cube is just going to have one set of zipper, and that's going to make the packing cube look like this. So you can see that this looks like kind of bulky and not efficient if it was a regular packing cube. But this is a compression packing cube, so what it means that it's going to have a second set of zipper, which is right here, and then you have to kind of like zip it again once you finish putting your stuff. Now this is not going to compress that much because I didn't put a lot of stuff, but still you can see the difference. So let's say if I zip it now, then you can see that the significant difference in sizes. You can see that this is getting much smaller, and this is going to take a lesser space in your luggage or carry-on. Now if you had more clothes here, this is going to make a huge difference. So for that example, just pay a few dollars more, but always buy packing compression cubes instead of regular packing cubes. Now this is Travelon small and large, and this seems to be good quality, and I have actually lots of these. When I was I didn't know much about packing cubes, then I wasted money just buying regular packing cubes. But then once I realized that compressions are the way to go, now I only buy compression packing cubes, and I have lots of these. So for the next travel tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.